Did you know that certain types of fish might help reverse diabetes? It's true. Stick around to learn how adding fish to your diet can make a big difference. Hi, I'm Naim, and today we're uncovering the surprising benefits of fish for diabetes. Let's dive in. Many people believe diabetes is a lifelong condition, but research shows that incorporating fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids can significantly improve blood sugar levels. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These help reduce insulin resistance, a key factor in managing diabetes. Studies have shown that people who eat fish regularly have better glucose control and lower risk of diabetes complications. It's a simple change that can have a profound impact, but it's not just any fish that helps. Focus on fatty fish rich in omega-3s. Avoid fried fish and opt for grilled or baked options to get the most benefits. Incorporating fish into your diet is easy. Try having fish at least twice a week. Pair it with vegetables and whole grains for a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal. Remember, while fish can help, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle overall. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and medical advice are crucial to managing diabetes effectively. So if you're looking to improve your health and manage diabetes better, consider adding fish to your diet. It might just be the change you need.